Bearcat. He got good together. He helped him balance on the line. It is perhaps so that he can tackle it just like that. These are all common to say. They tackle when they are happy. They have a high scale when they are annoyed. They howl, run, and hit. They also use the butter proper smell to mark their territory. And they have a usual high speed that they can rotate them backward and walk down the tree head first. And you now will show us how. You will show them just like that. Ayan, galing, di ba? And lastly, big buhok can only be found in the beautiful island of start with the letter P. Pampanga? Palawan, yes. That's why you're